All right, so what's up, guys? It's Mark. I'm in the GT350, Supercharged GT350. Get it straight. Let's go for a ride. Shit, go figure, the phone falls. So, excuse me, I don't have a fancy dash mount that holds all my camera and my GoPro, because I don't have a GoPro, I use my phone. But it's raining out, so I can't really show you what I want to show you. This car handles its ass off, really does. Shifts great, smooth shifting, and it just sounds incredible. Sounds like a demon coming up from hell to deliver an ass whipping to any Corvette, Camaro, ZR1, ZL1, whatever it is on the streets. Viper, not to hate on my positive side, but it really really is a showstopper. And it is definitely in a breed of its own. These cars are so much fun to drive. I never really had any thoughts of buying one until I researched it and found out about them. If you have the chance and you're getting a good deal, buy one, go for a ride with somebody, check it out, because these things are nasty. Once again, the roads are wet, can't really show you what's going on, but you can listen to it. Oh yeah, it's sideways, I shouldn't mess around. All right, I'm gonna end the video because it's getting sideways, and I'm guys coming to Pennsylvania to see this car, so I'm not going to jeopardize the well-being of the car. See you guys later. Stay tuned. Hit the thumbs up button if you like the video. Subscribe, notifications. Peace out.